Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shay with Pure Shade. So this week, I wanted to talk to you guys more for the ladies, what to expect for your first mammogram. So as you're getting older, closer to the age of 40, women are more than likely going to go get a mammogram, which is just an exam, an x-ray, ultrasound on the breast itself, basically just to kind of tell if you are, susceptible to breast cancer. Now, with your regular annual OB visit with your pap smear, they do regularly check your breast. And if they feel any lumps, they'll, send you over there. But if you do have a high risk or family members that do have breast cancer, they prefer you go sooner than 40. Around 35 is the age that they may require you to go early. So in order to get an early mammogram, if it does run in your family, just tell your OB, hey, breast cancer runs in my family. I'd like to get a sooner pre-screening. So they'll write up a documentation and they'll refer you to which particular specialist that you'll need to go to. So once you make the appointment, you'll get a phone call informing you to not wear any lotions, sprays, deodorants, or powders, just to make sure you don't interfere with the ultrasound screenshot that they're going to do on your breasts. So of course, as you walk in with the new COVID requirements, you're going to need a mask. You cannot enter if you have any symptoms of any coughing, sinus, anything like that. You gotta have your mask on. So you're gonna walk into the facility, you're gonna give the nurse your driver's license, medical cards if you have any. They're gonna have you fill out the paperwork, basically asking if you have any medical history, any family members, and of course sign any documentations and date it. So once you go into the back, you're going to go into this room where you change your clothes. They're gonna tell you to take off your bra, any clothing, any earrings. For my hair, since I have braids, they asked me to put my braids behind my back so it doesn't interfere with the picture. And you're gonna put on a gown, open, face forward. So when you go into the room, the exam room, then you're ready. So as you enter into the exam room, there's gonna be this machine. It looks pretty scary. It's really not that bad. Again, this is your first mammogram, you guys. So it's not that bad. The machine looks scarier than what it actually is. It's this little platform with this little panel that'll go up and down. They're going to put your breast on this platform and they're going to do a horizontal and vertical shot of your breast. So the actual specialist or nurse, radiologist, whatever you want to call her, she was so polite and she kind of, calmed me down because I told her this was the first time I've been in there. And I'm like, what do you expect? I said, is it going to hurt? Is it going to flatten it like a pancake? She kind of laughed and was like, no, it's not that bad. So, but she did tell me that, everybody's pain is different. Some people are, experience some pain, but some is not as bad. She said it just depends on your, level of pain, how you deal with it, versus, how anybody else will deal with it. She did say that if you are on your period, it's gonna be a little bit more discomfort because you're tender around your period. If you do make an appointment, make it a week prior or a week after. She did say it's best to make it after because your breast will be less tender. So while on the machine, she did position me again horizontally and vertically. She, did a couple screenshots of the breast. She did have to try a couple times on, I think, the right or left side. I'm not really sure. Actually, it was the right. So they make you raise your arm and position it a certain way like this. And then you have to stay completely still while they take the screenshot. Because again, it's radiation. It's a very low level of radiation. But they do have to make you stay very still. She said, hold your breath. Now breathe. The entire visit was actually pretty quick. At the end, she did say about 2 to 3 business days, I would get my follow-up results and the doctor would reach out to me if there were any concerns or if I needed a future visit. So again, you guys, it wasn't that bad. They didn't really flatten it like a pancake. Again, all you feel is a little pressure pushed down with the little plastic device that they have. You just feel a little pressure. It doesn't really go flat. It's just kind of, a little pressure on top. And that's really about it. So I hope you ladies enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye.